Hello friends, this is Vinay and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset Windows 11 PC without losing data. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to launch setting app, and for that you need to right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Now in the setting app, you need to select system tab on the left side, and then on the right side you need to uh, select recovery. Now under recovery options, you will find this reset this PC option. Here click on reset PC button. Now this will open reset this PC window, and you will be asked to choose an option. Now here you will find two options: keep my files, remove everything. Uh, as we want to keep our personal data while performing system reset, so we'll go with this keep my file option. In case you want to perform factory reset of your Windows 11 PC, then you can go with the remove everything option. But for this video, we'll go with this keep my file option. Now wait for a few seconds. Now you will be given two options: cloud download and local reinstall. Now if you select cloud download, the system will download fresh copy of Windows 11 from Microsoft and then perform reinstallation of Windows. On the other hand, if you select local reinstall, then system will use copy of Windows 11 available on your device to perform system reset. But you need to make sure in mind that if you select cloud download, then system will uh, use more than 4 GB of data. And apart from that, the process will take longer as compared to local reinstall. So depending on your choice, you can select one of the option. For this video, I'll go with local reinstall. Now here on this screen, you will be provided the current setting that you have selected for system reset, and that is reinstall Windows from this device. Now click next. Now, in case you receive this message that this PC was recently updated, if you continue with reset this PC, you won't be able to undo the update. Ignore it and click next. Now, at this point, system is preparing an environment to perform system reset. Now, again, you need to wait for a few seconds. So here you will get information about what will happen once system reset complete. So the setting will change setting back to their defaults, keep personal files, install Windows from this device, remove all apps and program. In case you want to view apps that will be removed, click here. Now, these are the applications that will be removed during the reset process. So click back. Now you need to make note that this will take a while and your PC will restart. So click reset, and at this point system will start preparing the environment to perform a system reset of Windows 11. The process will take around 5 to 7 minutes depending on your system hardware, so you need to wait. So once the process reaches to 100%, the system will restart automatically, and you can see that it is preparing to restart. So after restart, your system will boot in resetting this PC mode. So at this point, the process of resetting your Windows 11 PC has been started. It will take around 30 to 40 minutes depending on your system hardware. So you need to wait till then. During resetting process, it is possible that system restart several times. So keep this thing in mind. Just to make this video short, I am fast forwarding this process. So once the process reaches 200%, your system will restart automatically. At this point, system is reinstalling Windows 11. The process will take around 10 to 15 minutes. So you need to wait, and during the process, it is possible that your computer may restart few times. So just to make this video short, I'm again fast forwarding this process. So once the installation of Windows 11 completes, your system will restart automatically. Now here you need to enter PIN. Now you will see the screen start getting things ready for you. This might take a few minutes. So at this point, the system is preparing your device. So again, this will take few minutes. So that's it guys, the process of resetting Windows 11 has been completed successfully. You can see that data is still available on the device. And if you want to find out which apps has been removed during the reset process, then you can open this file and you will get the list of the apps. Depending on your requirement, you can reinstall those apps. That's all about this video. This is how you can reset Windows 11 PC without losing data. Give it a try. If you have any query, feel free to drop in the comments. Also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.